Hello, good morning. Today I'm in Alcains, in the center of Alcains, near the church, near all you needed, pharmacy, restaurants, all. Half a minute, 1 minute to walk, only that, okay. And I have old house for rebuilding all. Only need wood maintenance, the principal. It's that in the corner, okay. And it's possible rebuilding all urban article license for living, and I try. It's close for security, but stay clean inside. And hope you like it. In the description you have all the meters, the price, the cost today for rebuilding, the materials and contractor company. Okay, hope you like it. Okay, that is the house. Okay, it's possible rebuilding 3 floors, 1, 2 and another more small, but it's possible. Okay, here you have all internet, phone. Internet is fiber in that area. Okay, connection to the juice and the company water here. Okay, the house is all that rose part. That is cement. That part, because original is a terrace, a little garden. If you see the difference for the roof, okay. And that part is old stones, original stones, okay. That part is cement. That is another. You have to access it, cross one car. You don't have space for parking, that's the true. You have 100 meters, you have a public park and free parking, okay. And for rebuilding it's possible, of course, rebuilding all, 1 floor, 2 floor and the last floor. I try to do now a video drone for help you, but don't have nothing inside. Don't have roof. Okay, but let's see more with drones views.